Okay, now we've made our stock, but we're going to add some vegetables back to that stock because remember, we're making a chicken stew and it's going to need a lot of nice vegetables. I have these beautiful thin-skinned fingerling potatoes, and I'm going to just cut them into pieces like that. That one's small enough, I don't even need to cut it. This one I'll cut into 3. What you want to do is you want to make all the pieces of potato around the same size so they cook at basically the same rate. So I've done that. Now we have our pot here, and I have the heat back on under the pot. I'm going to add our fingerling potatoes to the pot. And while the chicken was simmering, I've diced up some more vegetables, and I took more care in dicing these up and chopping these up because these are actually going to be served. So we have some smaller pieces of onion, celery, and I like to use celery leaf whenever possible. I use celery leaf. There's a lot of flavor in celery leaves. Celery and celery leaf, onions, and pieces of carrot, nice little carrot coins. And I'm going to bring that up to a boil and back down to a simmer. Let's give it a stir. Make sure everything is evenly distributed. Okay, crank it up, and I'm going to put my lid on, and when we come back, we're going to shred our chicken to add to the stew.